Hello everyone, I am Akansha, your property consultant in Dubai. So today I am here to discuss about a project which is located in the best location of Dubai with the best developer and also something which is exclusive and definitely going to make you money. So this project that I'm talking to you about is known as Downtown Residences, and this is coming up by a developer renowned for its quality and timely delivery and amazing prices. I'm talking about DR. So DR has been in Dubai real estate market since past 23 years, and not just real estate, DR has been into other business models as well. So they have 6 other branches of business model, not just delivering real estate, they also work into project development, project management, hospitality, asset management and a lot more. So it becomes way more trustworthy for a client to invest into DR projects is because they do not just deliver projects, they also manage it from scratch to bottom. So now let's talk about Downtown Residences. Why do I keep telling this is a very exclusive project is because this town is coming up in Business Bay, the heart of Dubai. This is how the building is going to look like. Now let me tell you, this is going to be a 110-story building which comprises of 432 exclusive units. And apart from that, they also have one royal palace, 76 duplexes and 13 penthouses. This is not just an exceptional design, this is also an exceptional location. Now let me tell you more about the location and how closely it is connected to major parts of Dubai. It is going to be just 2 minutes away from Sheikh Zayed Road, just 3 minutes away from Business Bay Metro Station and 5 minutes away from downtown Dubai, and also you are going to be just 15 minutes away from Dubai International Airport. One more special thing about this project is that they are going to have 75,000 square feet just for the amenities. So all of the amenities have been very thoughtfully placed across the towers. So they have divided the amenities into 6 categories. So the amenities are categorized into the following ways: House of Commons, House of Hires, House of Wellness, Mason Amis, Sky Club and Park, and also the last one is Cloud9. So this is all what you get into your House of Commons amenity area, which is going to be a grand entry lobby and also a double-heighted lobby area, and also you get your own valet parking for your guests. Apart from that, you get your brazier and cafe. The next part is called as House of Hires, which considers the majority of your amenities. Now in this, you get your kids play area, kids pool, family area, family pool area, and apart from that, you also get your BBQ area and also a play for celebrations. The House of Wellness is something where you can take care of yourself, your body and your mind. In this, you get your gym with the Burj Khalifa view, your steam, sauna, treatment rooms and a lot more to take care of your health. Mason Amis is a place where all come together, your friends, your family. In this, you get a tea space, you get a cigar lounge, you get a cinema room, golf area and a lot more where you can come together with your family and friends and have a relaxed time. The next amenities are called as Sky Clubs and Parks, where you can set up your business, work together and also interact with others, which also includes conference room, private podcast areas, studios, libraries and a lot more where you can actually be creative and work. Now talking about Cloud9 is actually where you can feel on being like Cloud9, which gives you an exceptionally beautiful view of Burj Khalifa with the infinity pool, an amazing dining space and also an observatory deck. Now let's get deep into the project and understand what they are offering you and what are the prices and sizes you get. Now let's talk about the prices and the sizes and what they are offering. They are giving you 1, 2 and 3 BHK, which are the exclusive units. Apart from that, they have the duplexes and the penthouses. And here you see on the screen the prices and the sizes. So the 1 BHK apartment, the sizes goes from 764 square feet and goes up to 913 square feet. The price is starting from 1.86 million dirhams. The 2 BHK apartment sizes goes from 1,100 to 1,367 square feet, starting from just 2.73 million. Now talking about the 3 BHK, it goes up from 1,641 to 2,203 and the starting price is 4.45 million dirhams. Now let's talk about the signature collection, which is the duplex and the penthouses. 2 and 3 BHK penthouses. Talking about the 2 BHK penthouses would go up from 1,410 to 2,718 square feet. Price is starting from 3.71 million dirhams. 3 BHK duplex starting from 3,343 square feet and going up to 3,451 square feet. Price is starting from 9.06 million dirhams. The exclusive penthouses 3 and 4 BHK. Talking about 3 BHK penthouse, it goes up from 4,740 square feet and the prices would be on request. 4 BHK penthouse 5,540 square feet, and also the price would be shared on request. The Royal Palace is something which gains the attention of everyone. It is going to be an 18,330 square feet, exceptionally big unit which gives you a lot of money and a lot of luxury. Not just the prices, the payment plan is something which is exceptionally jaw-dropping. It is going to be a 50-50 payment plan where you have to pay 50% during the time of construction and you pay the rest of the 50% on handover. The handover is going to be 2029, and here is how the breakdown of your 50% and the rest of the 50% goes up to. The booking amount is 10%. The rest of the 10% you have to pay after 3 months of your booking amount, and after that you will be paying 5% every 6 months by the time of your handover. Here is the breakdown. You will be paying the first installment on 30th April 2026. The next installment would be on 31st of October 2026. After that, the installment goes up further. Every 6 months, you'll be paying 5%. And at the end, on the completion, you pay the rest of the amount, that is 50%. Now, thinking about it from an investment purpose, why would I suggest Downtown Residence is a very exceptional choice is because you can pay the 50% by 5 years time. So you pay 50% only and you can either exit from the game by flipping the property, or either you can put it on rent and pay the mortgage amount off. Not just for investment purpose, this is going to be an exceptional choice for the ones who want to stay, because entire Dubai sells onto the views of Burj Khalifa. And imagine waking up to a Burj Khalifa view, an amazing view throughout your lifetime, because this is an 110-story building. So you have no restrictions. There are going to be no future developments on this area. So you get an Burj Khalifa view for the lifetime. Now, just summing up the entire Downtown Residences into short: the location, perfect. Capital appreciation, return on investment, perfect. Developer, perfect. Timely delivery, prices, sizes, everything is exceptional. The payment plan is also crazy. This is a no-brainer project if you want to make money, if you want to enjoy the views. Everything about this project is amazing. Why do I keep calling this as an exclusive project is because you have only 522 units in the entire 110-story building. So you know what is the demand, what is the supply. It is going to make you crazy amount of money. If you're interested in knowing more information about this project, do contact me on the number shared below. Let's get in touch.